Hi, today I would like to show you how I make this ribbing pattern that has this spiraling effect. The pattern consists of 4 stitches, knit 2, purl 2, and that is repeated for 4 rounds, and in every when I have done 4 rounds I will just shift the pattern 1 stitch to the left, and then I repeat 4 rounds of knit 2, purl 2, and I shift the pattern 1 stitch to the left again, and I get a very steep one, but still almost a stairway. And now it gives my work an angle, but if I knit longer it will spiral. And you have to cast on a number of stitches that can be divided by 4. Knit 2, purl 2, that is the pattern, and then you repeat. So you need to be able to divide it by 4 so that it looks right in the transition between the beginning and the end of your round. You can also do this pattern as a knit 1, purl 1 pattern. Then you need to cast on a stitch number that can be divided by 2 and do the same, only you of course knit 1, purl 1. And I have chosen to do 4 and 4 rounds before I shift. You can do more rounds or less, but if you do fewer rounds, then you must be aware that of course the ribbing will be as easy to stretch out, but it will not pull together as easily because of how the stitches, knit and purl stitches, will be arranged. So it will become a little wider. But I have chosen a knit 2, purl 2 version with 4 and 4 rounds. And what I do is first, of course, I cast on, and then I begin by knitting 2 stitches, and then I purl 2 stitches. I make sure that when I pick the stitch up it opens up like this and does not twist like this. You can see here it twists at the bottom of the stitch, and I continue like this for 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of knit 2, purl 2. And when I have done so, I will get back to you and show you how I shift the pattern to the left. I have now finished my 4 rounds, and you can see here the knit 2, purl 2 pattern, which I will now shift 1 stitch to the left. And to do that, here I have my 2 knit stitches in the beginning. Then I purl the first stitch, and then I knit the 2 next, and I will also shift my 2 purl stitches 1 stitch to the left, and that's all there is to it. And now continue to knit 2, purl 2 throughout the round, and when I get to the beginning of the round again, I simply continue for 3 more rounds to knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches, and after having done that, it is time to shift to the left again, and then the next time I shift, it is this will be 2 purl stitches, and then knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. So you only have to focus to get the first 2 stitches right, and then continue the knit 2, purl 2. And then you see you will gradually shift and get this angled or spiraling effect. And that's it. Thank you for watching.